Welcome to Anger Rising Gaming. I am your Blue Dragon World Champion, and in this video, this is my standard deck. It's a fun Scute Swarm deck. So let's begin. 4 Scute Swarms. 4 Migratory Greathorns, because I love Ginger Brutes. 4 Ginger Brutes. 3 Llanowar Visionary. 2 Warden of the Woods Searches. 4 Adventurous Impulse. 2 Adventure Awaits. 3 Track Down. 4 Cultivate. 4 Ranger's Guile to protect your Scute Swarm. 4 Citizens Training to give them trample and to draw a card. And for lands, 3 Evolving Wilds, 2 Fabled Passage, 17 Forest. And for the sideboard, look at this pig. This pig is cute. Of course I had to play 2. 2 Truffle Snout, 2 Burl Fist Oak, 2 Twin Veil Treefolk, beautiful art. 4 Return to Nature. 3 Run Afoul. And 2 Inspire All. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and you are beautiful.